Most people panic when a Cash Advance app stops working, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming the app is permanently broken. In most cases, the issue is simple and fixable within minutes. In this video, we are breaking down the B9 not working issue in 2026 and how to fix it step by step so you can get back into your account quickly. Let's start with the most common reason. The first issue is usually connection or server problems. If the app is down for maintenance or experiencing high traffic, it may not load properly or may freeze on the login screen. This is temporary, but it confuses a lot of users. Now here's where most people fail. They keep reopening the app again and again without checking their internet connection or app status. A simple switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data can sometimes fix the problem instantly. Next, let's talk about login issues. If your login is failing, it could be due to outdated credentials or a temporary security lock. For example, Jake tried logging in multiple times with the wrong password and got temporarily locked out. In situations like this, waiting a few minutes or resetting your password usually solves it. But here's the problem many users ignore. Outdated app versions can break core features. If you haven't updated B9 in a while, the app may stop responding or crash during loading. Always check the App Store or Play Store for the latest update. Now here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes the issue is not the app at all, but your device. Low storage, corrupted cache, or background apps can slow everything down. Clearing cache or restarting your phone often fixes hidden performance issues. In a minute, I'll walk you through a simple reset method that fixes most problems instantly. Let's go step by step. First, close the app completely and reopen it. This resets temporary glitches. Next, check your internet connection and switch networks if needed. Then update the app to the latest version. If the problem continues, restart your phone. This clears background conflicts that you cannot see. For example, Alex had the app stuck on a loading screen for hours. After restarting his phone and updating the app, everything worked normally again. If none of these steps work, the issue may be account related. That means you should contact support directly through the app or official help channels. So let's summarize it simply. Most benign app issues come from internet problems, outdated versions, login errors, or device cache issues. Almost all of them are fixable without technical skills. If this guide helped you fix your issue, make sure to like the video, comment what problem you faced, and subscribe for more simple app troubleshooting guides in 2026.